Hello, my dear customer. Welcome to Longze Machinery. Now I introduce to you our disc wood chipper. You can have a look. The disc blade wood chipping machine. Usually with 55 kilowatts electric motor, 75 motor, 90 kilowatts electric motor, with a different capacity from 5 tons to 20 tons per hour. Also we have the drum type. The drum type. Also, we have the drum type of wood chipper with the electric motor 55 kilowatts, the 110 kilowatts, 160 kilowatts. Different capacity for the crushing the wood logs with the wood veneer. The wood root for different raw materials can crush the material to wood chips. The wood chips usually suitable for the paper pulp factory. Also, we have the big type, the crusher, big type crusher. OK， 好了。